Snoring and sleep-related obstructions to the airways can be traced to three areas of the anatomy. Firstly, at the back of the palate, when the soft palate with the uvula, the dangly tissue, relaxes and vibrates as we breathe in and out. Secondly, at the base of the tongue, when the tongue drops back into your throat, blocking the airways. And thirdly, at the larynx, when the epiglottis, which is a cover on top of the larynx, closes the entrance to the lungs.